Right. Fantastic morning. Yes, I will be a quab. I'm not sure some equaso good demo. Now, about 4 o'clock in room and some seal room, and here might be break costume room. The Okorum Kumiano, if you're a catching and some of course. Hey, now some member and someone are not to have a studio. It is a real party. It's a Bonyamu, Yamamu, the Ecoso studio behind the scenes, and he but we are no why said man because and some make can studio and ehupa na ma me vima ama me de vima vogo remusano yes and of course a banner sadia na a Kingdom Ginseng power capsules and a beba san komodi we mu san say be ma be gina onan so Kingdom Ginseng power capsules e mo akwa eno e dinaton nse enu ekoye singaton ba ko ekoye kukaton nti Kingdom Ginseng power capsules be mo ye dinaton just say what I say nti enye Usain Bolt eno ye mo faramo tin unya nwie eno dan chen immune system no beti apo na gina na so na garlic bitters na garlic capsules and that make for them Kingdom and they Badwam so tremendous capsules na and not to about de ni white na be white me my yempe white yempe bad odor tremendous capsules and no say o saka bi na edi wakagire mo party and no dey sia konkon na yere some no brown of course go pie mo gamepackgames.com and that's what we discuss go to menra ko for discuss o say papa odi 100,000 Ghana cedis ani ehwe na yehunu no afi de yehunu o so ko bush ko bu nua na ne phone ko dum ye che ehwe na wadi 100,000 ehwe ne say yehunu o so to 20 Ghana ai na auto 1 cedi kura there be not 2 cedis and na sako bia 0 ni kan ho and 20 Ghana and say what they 100,000 Ghana cedis gamepackgames.com okay one open and some right here bro Sergio Manucho Bernard Padibotwe and Emmanuel Tai the producers and anopay keju na kasa ni Eric Asiru body yan shase emfanfi Manchester City that is the EPL 4 games in a row Manchester City winning they say over for 6 points behind Arsenal and Edan Chenya na chese kwambia so no chairman bre 14 games in a row Aston Villa fie enhye nti enra na nyenwa and for the first time City abo game abo 2 shot pe Aston Villa in number 22 shots serious it's enra go pie EPL very interesting Chelsea ni Manchester United and Manchester Chelsea say any abre ball mo kaminu money that create can move back and of course okupi other games about so Brighton over be so fight back e be winning the game I would say yes very interesting games na ba so say you know City atwefanebo time na kwa na corner for ye ko book off no and e bufa December mu ho ba last season na Arsenal show mu say ya so back eba be winning league no yen hwe say afiso betima ye bia 6 points and they say o matwem say Aston Villa so ball mu top 4 ni mu a ye hwe say ne en sabno be siako eti amomo na and Everton Newcastle na area pim so and afiso no Tottenham Hotspur and then West Ham United game me befe pa e be di ekira hwe say ne and so e be si akọ okopie mu e wa cross Europe in Spain Manchester Hodo Baso e wo Copa del Rey ni mu okopie mu Italy so the Copa Italia and of course Germany DFB Pokal games so so anya some get to Atlantica sense mama na yanko bongram ni enhwe emrafie enhwe de yakoso wo fie kopie mu the Black Queens of Ghana and I ready mu say by 7 p.m. and my PM or my more after I'm a qualification to the WAFCON and Nora Haptel one on a coach Manipa edema and my run on and I share more say esco members mo kopie mu ho mo fie nu eso be kan bom na ya de na mana efe o my ade mo mpene mo ha yemura Black Queens ensebdo
ebo du ba ko a kotoka wiemhye ginabe nipa pepian koma afi chichi ne benche ekotwaje de hia ho a omo kohia Ghana mabai ena na omoten a omko boy obi man so na mebia no eno ara omugusu a omudia na nkofo obo enfie numni na eni abre se ye pre se women's AFCON no ye kwa kopie mu ho maame Nora Hamtel ekoma twebodu afri wiemu a ene yakwaje ticket ya ye kopie mu awa AFCON yase emaya ne ba be pie o my Ghana mu nti dodo na aye o madwene se o mo de osebo ehu mentia abontwene abosamome de o machi ato o mase a ebra ya bre e mamu ha no ene yasresre maame Nora Hamtel se adwuma na nkasa fe na ahyase se ne o bedu a o mu hia mpanimfo no ma hyase age o ma home kakra nya de omo beda ahosiesie ne tuomu a ansa na AFCON no ahyase.
Ghana is back on the AFCON, and we are hungry and willing to play there, and I think a lot of players deserve it. They play some very long time for the Queens, some maybe for some it's the last AFCON. We have some young players, for them it's the first time. So in general we have a very young squad. Need to develop and work and continue our mission Volta. I'm proud of this year. We won out of 10 games, and I think we can have a nice Christmas.
Well, Tebeka Kushia na Black Queens of Ghana, or more on some on GamePackGames.com, the Asia Concona, and then some idea Brown Copium BB and Go Stars, or nice that the Ghanaian Premier League more, and Yabora and Esa, how himself Quasieda, and Payani Jaya, a super clash, and a crowd of folk versus Matema Kumasi, Santa Coroko now. Okopimo BB and Go Stars, a catcher the Ebony, coach Michael say, I'm not on Quantum up, I'm a son Tranchen Kakadia and the Ems and Yemen Quiz, and say, one more area back a cracker, the next summer Pamano, the defeat BB and Ebanon, a Munche Muni.
Season ekoye second season omanfo omo ba bia ne project ne so kopem se wopo modene pa enanso de toso miensen na agye agu a ene wodo ni kire susu pro ne so a Ghana Premier League woto so dunsia ya matches dumiensan wabo no eniema nkoye mfama bia ni Gold Stars owura ma ke o se ene wo hwehwe ne ba bia wonhu no wasasa ne kuku ne nkaka na no e de afri bia ni kromu a ye ka se won tenanchen no no
right. Bibiani, they are few abandon, and they have to just a friend, Paul Manson, former for Quatano coach, and Bibiani Go Stars for, and then I never take you over from Michael say. Now, young court, now, correct, the answer for SSO Eddie Ebene, and I paid former executive council member, Samuel Animado. Now, what in summer to you say a binary Nanka, and he may be a fast sport, so once they import if you're broaching the bar, say Jesse, say boots near the Adianka. Abanhwe na wanted to kakra tax ya na daso no ana ede e gina mo abo na daso ya no mo brepa and say the to aban nim no
Nigeria and Benin here, just Nigeria and Benin here, but here the states will come, and even sometimes the national team, we have to go and beg the state. Our kids, we beg the state, we pay taxes on the national team, just say, you see these things, and we keep doing it and we say it, and then it will be there. I just saw that Parliament has granted a lot of tax waivers to some companies, but they didn't grant all the letters, even including FIFA project money, boss, we pay taxes. So you see, if you look at this, and some of us, it's only by divine. That's why I'm saying we are magicians. If you are not lucky to transfer, if you are not lucky, I pity some of my colleagues who are into the game. If you don't transfer, my brother, if you don't take care, you sell your property.
And by transfer, you don't mean local transfer.
Yeah, and we have a lot of people who say they are managers. They know nothing about the game. All they know is that they have money to buy boot and ball. So he's a manager. And it is what is killing and then it's killing talents, and some family members to also turn themselves into managers. Some media men to way. So you see, so the problem is big. And unfortunately, those who can help, they tend to hate them, jealous them, so they don't even go to them to seek.
Right, Samuel Animado, Ejano Otumi, aka Ejano Otumi, aka Wole Monko. Yes, the man, Samuel Animado, Samuel Jan manager, former executive council member. No, there's some area to Ghana. You copy one some from the National Paralympic Committee of Ghana, or more the National Powerlifting Competition. At the Association National Powerlifting Competition and a bar so emunche muni
National Powerlifting Competition chinja omode bomu edi gina wama World Disability Day no etudwa na ewo AFPC Secretariat North Ridge and Krampopuni Mantema no ememu ane maya ya omudi omuji mu no ebeye duonum yo munyina free 5 regions e wo my Ghana mu a obi pi a kire de bobre akensi omudi bomu no we ye de behwe na national ranking edema athlete our MPC no yedi atudwa afi identification and selection edema potential athletes our Paris 2024 Paralympic Games no we mu ana ebeyi emrante ne maba ne bomo hu modene a dodo na age o maba so body.
I believe many of them across the country will want to take opportunity of this, so we should reach out to them across the country and not concentrating only in Accra. At least it will give some of them an employment, take some of them from the streets. When we do this, it is that we can see that we have achieved an inclusive society that we are all looking for.
Right, so I know near the course of Park Games no and some more. You bet you so na no pay so you see okopie more Kingdom Home Estate ya the abano they say obi a real estate real estate developer chairman money na ho aha the camera no Kingdom Home Estate a dan bia open ketwa ene kese ne boofo esan papa Kingdom Home Estate omo ma okopie mu wo mo empotem ho omo bodma pa akropon Latte Junction ho na ne omo abo mo sese a dan hodo mo sisi na omo eton no anyasam ketwa security tight bibia wo dan ni mo dada to kwade yanso gita bag se maba na aba betena dan ni that's all bibia wo mu dada nyafe na akutu bob bibia na atene bob abehya so na akọ yafe na akọ pentim da bibia wo mu dada kama party pacho Kingdom Home Estate tremendous capsules Kingdom for Kroya na dia by mana drone no ma oba wa oba sima pa New Kingdom Jensen power capsules me man ko adro oba nkonom power capsules no o be me nkonom tremendous capsules na tremendous capsules ma dru power capsules no me madru oba akonom power capsules o konom akwan well, when one go jitre the pacho power capsules e be man dia garlic bitters ne man me man no ne garlic capsules ne ma immune system na gina so tene be ya onyare yare small stubborn bia ba wa bona gala we kra ne ade anyima koi e de esi akonkon gamepackgames.com touch it and then 9 12 and 4 6 p.m. with me this dia go bottom pick 1 and pick 4 for gamepackgames.com or browser na so no anaso ko play store download the game pack for app na odo ho agim kama pa Sergio Manucho Bernard Paddy Botre Emmanuel Tai the producers na no pai kejwara nkasa ni Eric Asiru Bwede ko so ahebedwam